Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the 𝐂𝐑𝐄𝐒. Today I have yet another amazing application for you. This one is a software called Vidzio, and in a nutshell is the world's first window and iOS video creator application that creates amazing jaw-dropping and in high demand videos such as ultra HD videos, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any of the social media handles, videos, video logos, reveals, ads, anything you want is going to do this. And YouTube Hollywood like videos, all those things that you do with videos, shingles, everything, jingles, and the rest of them, everything you want to do with videos, you will be able to do with this, and it creates it in such a short time and will have equally populate it with pictures and images and of course banners that will suit the purpose. Okay, so it's an amazing one, and it's going live today, the 14th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's New York time. And of course at that time you'll be able to get a copy of this. At any point you decide to buy such an amazing product, Vidzio, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this amazing sales page where you are going to pick up a copy using this very link. And of course, I will take you to my amazing bonuses if you stick with me, show you through the pricing for Vidzio, and also take you to the very software members area of this application so that you see exactly what it does and how it's going to work for you. I'm talking about this very software, which is the dashboard area. We are going to treat all that because of this review, and of course I will play you the video of this very product in action so that we'll go from there. But for now, like I said before, my name is Mike of the 𝐂𝐑𝐄𝐒. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because it's going to help us, and of course take these videos to others who may be interested in creating videos with of course applications like this and put them on autopilot. Okay, so it's an amazing product. Now these are some of the amazing benefits you have with this one. It's the world first window and iOS best desktop video application, which is a creator, which you can do easily with AI and just command it. It does anything you want, and you can with this easily create and sell ultra HD 8K videos in 120 languages and niches. And of course, you can create awesome special FX videos from scratch with zero video or design skills, and you don't need any other thing but to edit and done for you 10,000 plus special videos templates and produce videos in minutes with amazing templates, video templates that you can choose. It's like Pictory and the rest of them, something like that, where you can create a video by a voice command or by your intention, just writing it down as a keyword. Definitely it will do the magic and produce such videos in intervals of your choice, okay, on any frame of your choice. So it's an amazing one. It says it's a craft dropping video using our inbuilt studio quality video themes, and you have built-in high quality background music tracks and sound FX library, and you have also voiceovers to videos in 180 different languages. You have special effects and transitions to videos. This is very good, and make them stand out from the crowd, and craft logo revealed videos and title videos, video ads, countdown videos, YouTube outros and intros, and a lot more. And you can create and edit and post TikTok videos, Instagram videos, Facebook videos, YouTube videos, and anything you want in a very few clicks. And you can create stunning Hollywood style promo videos and teasers, basically anything. Okay, and you can render videos at lightning speed, which means even after doing this video with this amazing crafty application, you can just render it in a flash, which is very important because I have that experience with some of these other big normal softwares where it takes a whole lot to actually render a service, so, and it's amazing. I'm very highly impressed with this one. It's beginner friendly. You can say goodbye to monthly fees, and of course it has this ironclad 30-day money back guarantee. In case for any reason or without any reason you want to return this product before 30 days, you should be able to do so. Okay, so you have nothing to worry, absolutely. Now these are the very testimonials which you can read from Robert S. He said, this incredible window and iOS desktop video creator application has been a game changer for me. And I mean, look at that, so you can read through all these testimonials at your convenience when you arrive here. and then it has 3 basic steps to set this up. Number 1 is to pick up the product by using the first link below in my description area, and then you pick a template and then choose from their 10,000 plus done for you stunning video templates. You can choose any choice you want, and you add special effects and transform your videos by adding special effects, transition effects and themes to the videos. And of course, step 3 will be you sell and profit by just making sure that what you created with this application is pushed out there, and it has inbuilt 320 plus million buyer traffic pool while ranking and banking this amount of money per day on autopilot. So which means you can use one of the upgrades to actually automate the whole process. Okay? So that all you need to do is to come up with a keyword and it is done, and it is scheduled for pushing out to the audience, to the public. So it's a good one in my own assessment, and I will leave the rest of the decision and rest of the sales page review to you. But in any case, I know it's going to do what it's going to do. And by the way, I'm going to play that video for you in a very short while so that you see if this is going to be for you, and I highly recommend it when it is coming from Oda Pramanik. Okay, so that's about what we can go and how far we can go with this sales page. Now let us see the very members area, and of course take a look at the video in the process. This is the script, background text, images, sounds, videos, and transition. And here are the templates that you're going to choose from. But without wasting any time, let me just play this video for you so that you see exactly how it's going to work. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel where I review digital products and IT products that are going to help you make money online. Today we are treating Vidzio from Oda Pramanik. Okay? Now the issue is that we are at the stage where we have to know exactly what the price is, and at the front end, as you can see, this is the sketch of the price, but let's go in a more detailed format. Here is $17, which gives you access to this dashboard, and you'll be able to program anything video you want for curation. And you have the upgrade number 1, which is the pro version. It goes for $67. That is the professional version, which means it has basically everything you may need as long as creating video with this application, depending on the theme or template you want. And then of course you have the OTO number 2, which is the upgrade number 2. The unlimited version goes for $97. That means you have everything unlimited, and that means you can create a watermark for yourself. You can create anything you want for yourself and be able to do basically everything unlimited. And you have the OTO number 3, which is the upgrade number 3. Vidzio animation goes for $67, and you have the OTO number 4. This animation is the process where everything is animated for you and automated for you in a way. And of course you can animate any thoughts you have and put it and make it a video animation for kids or for narration, anything you want, maybe for ads, and you have also the OTO number 4, which is the Vidzio slideshow plus live action creator, video creator, which goes for $87. You have the OTO number 5, Vidzio agency, goes for $97, which means you can use this application and make it an agency business where you can render this service to others, maybe on Fiverr or any of the marketplaces. And you have the last one, the OTO number 6, which is the reseller edition. This one goes for $97 as well, which means you have the right to resell this product as if it is your own and keep the profit 100% across the entire funnel. So that's about what you have here. Now let us see the amazing and mega bonuses that I have for you. 10 of them actually. The first one is the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which is an ebook that you're going to read to be able to get this information, probably in PDF, I guess. And you have also this one, list building expert, another training that you're going to master to be able to build your list, which is how you make money on demand. Most of the gurus who are making a lot of money is because they have very large email list subscribers, and they just send them market details of what they want to market, and some of them, a percentage of them actually patronize it, and you can make money on demand with that. And then number 3, with the internet marketing fast start, you have affiliate marketing secrets, very good for a beginner. And you have also the 30-day to bigger email list ebook. You have the chatbot marketing mastery, very important, and building the perfect sales funnel. Without sales funnel, it will be very difficult to actually automate any business online. So you have also the blogging for profit number 8. You have email list building blueprint, which is very good, how you can start from scratch. And you have also the copywriting crackdown, which is going to help you actually create very good prompts that you can use in your search engines, and of course in your AI applications where you can create anything yourself. So that's about what we have as the bonuses, and with that we will come, believe me, gradually to the end of this very amazing Vidzio application from Oda Pramadi, which is going live today on the 14th of September 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. New York time. That will be 5 p.m. Central European time, and of course GMT 4 p.m. Okay, so that's about when it's going to go live. And at any point you decide, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this place where you buy this product, and after purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that will give you access to 2 buttons. The green one will give you access to this Vidzio application, and the blue one below it will give you access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And with that, I encourage you to get this one and create any kind of videos you want, which will definitely attract audience, because the projection of the future of business is virtual, and for that reason people believe in videos because it saves them time from reading, as we have grown lazy these days because of AI revolution. So this is an amazing product that you can use to actually get abreast of the innovations of the future, and then tag on at this time before it becomes too late. Okay, so with that we come to the end of this amazing Vidzio review, and I will be back to you in my next. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeCompatible.com, coming to you as always from here, guys. From me is goodbye.